Kay Piñones. I am 14 years old and I study at Hope John 23rd Seminary in Cebu. A patient at a crowded public hospital in Cebu City, Cebu is likely experiencing long wait times, potentially impacting their satisfaction and potentially leading to delays in receiving necessary care. Public hospitals in the Philippines, including those in Cebu City, often face challenges related to resource availability and efficiency, which can contribute to overcrowding and prolonged waiting periods. That's all.
Good day everyone, my name is Noah Daniel G. Kinain, and for today, I will be talking about private health insurance. Private health insurance offers faster access to medical services and a wider choice of doctor and hospitals. Many plans cover specialized treatment and advanced facilities that may not be available in public healthcare. While premiums can be expressive, the investment often means shorter waiting times and personalized care. For individuals seeking convenience and quality, private health insurance can be a valuable option. Thank you.
And today we're going to talk about healthcare issues. So healthcare issues continues to affect millions from long waiting times to the lack of medical facilities in remote areas. Many patients struggle with high costs for medicine and treatments, especially without insurance. Shortage of doctors and nurses also adds pressure to an already overburdened system. Addressing these problems is essential to ensure everyone has access to quality and timely health care. Thank you.
Thanks for watching everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. I am Seminarian Emmanuel Ciceno.
And I am Seminarian JB Soto.
Noah Daniel G. Kinain.
France and Kay Piñones.
And we are the Seminarians for the Hope
John 23rd Seminary.